Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about cloud computing advantage. Why switching to the cloud is a smart move. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing service including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, intelligence, more over the internet. Instead of buying and owning the maintaining physical data center and services, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, databases on as needed basis from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. Advantages of cloud computing. There are many advantages to cloud computing, including say cost savings. Cloud computing can help to you to save money on IT cost. You do not have to purchase and maintain your own hardware and software. You also do not have to pay for unused resource. Scalability. Cloud computing is highly scalable. You can easily add or remove resources as needed. This makes it ideal for businesses that experience seasonal fluctuation in demand. Agility. Cloud computing can help you to be more agile and responsive to business changes. You can quickly deploy new application and service without having to invest in new hardware and software. Reliability. Cloud computing is typically highly reliable. Cloud providers have redundant system in place to ensure that your application and service are always available. Security. Cloud providers typically have a high level of security in place to protect your data. As you have used, cloud computing is typically easy to use. You can access cloud computing service from anywhere within internet connections. Why switching to the cloud computing is a smart move? There are many reasons to why switching to cloud computing is a smart move. Include to save money. Cloud computing can help you to save money on IT costs. To improve scalability and agility, cloud computing is highly scalable and agile. This can help you to meet changing needs of your business. To improve reliability and security, cloud computing is typically highly reliable and secure. This can help you to protect your data and ensure that your application and service are always available. To improve ease of use, cloud computing is typically easy to use. This can free up your IT resource to focus on more strategic initiatives. Case studies of businesses that have benefited from switching to the cloud. Here are the new few case studies of businesses that have benefited from switching to the cloud. Netflix used cloud computing to deliver its streaming video services to millions of customers around the world. Cloud computing has helped Netflix to scale up its business rapidly to provide a reliable and high quality service to its customer. Uses cloud computing to power its online booking platform. Cloud computing has helped Yarnab to scale its business rapidly to provide a reliable and secure service to customers. And Spotify uses cloud computing to deliver its music streaming services to millions of customers around the world. Cloud computing has helped Spotify to scale business rapidly to provide a reliable and high quality service to its customer. How to switch to the cloud? If you considering switch to the cloud, there are a few things you need to do. Assess your needs. The first step is to assess your business needs. This includes understanding the type of application and service that you need to is supported, the level of scalability and reliability that is required, and the budget. Choose a cloud provider. Once you have understand your needs, you need to choose a cloud provider. There are many different cloud providers available, so it is important to compare their features, pricing, and security. Migrate your data and application. Once you have chosen a cloud provider, you need to migrate your data and application to the cloud. This can be complex process. It is important to work with qualified IT professional. Conclusions: switching to a cloud can be a smart move for businesses of all sizes. Cloud computing can help you to save money, improve scalability and agility, improve reliability and security, improve ease of use. If you are considering switching to the cloud, I encourage you to do your research and choose the right cloud provider for your business. That's all everyone. I hope you will understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.